We're back with a Dish on Oz, and we're giving you your go-to weeknight dinners that cook up in less than 30 minutes. That's the promise. Vanessa Williams is about to show us how to make her family's favorite weeknight meal. But first, you've been watching from home. What got you so excited that you wanted to be here in person to cook on the dish?
These ladies.
Oh, yeah.
It's all about... I do watch food shows. I'm always writing down recipes. If I see something, I'll go to my phone and write it down. But I love cooking, and I love the camaraderie that we have. And cooking for people makes you feel good.
Oh, my God. It's amazing.
So when Vanessa was up here rehearsing, I rifled through her phone. And she's got so many great photos of mouth-watering food. I'm going to turn it to you. What are you going to dish for us today off that phone list?
This is a pasta that my youngest, who's already 19 now, she's been making in the kitchen. And I have it on a little Post-it so she knows how to do it by herself.
Okay.
So you get ground turkey, and you put it in butter. And then you have garlic.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit over here. I got audience members. We're gonna taste your dish, so it's better be special.
It better be good.
All right, I got my wine.
I love how you disappear so magic.
So typical. I got the wine.
Always disappearing. I'll be back.
Everything starts with garlic and onions for me.
It's too much estrogen.
Yes.
He can't handle us. So
I
let's
got
do our own dish here. All right.
Yeah.
Garlic and onions, ground
butter.
turkey.
And butter.
Ooh, butter.
You can also put a little bit of olive oil if you want to. But
fat and
got
flavor.
that. Yep.
So what can we do to help Vanessa?
What you can do is chop up some green olives for me.
Okay.
And some fresh basil. So you've got that. So when you have all this seasoned, you can turn it down, and then you can add some sour cream.
All right.
Now,
you need a spoon for that?
Yes,
There
thank
go.
you.
That's going to keep him nice and moist and bind it together.
Keeps it moist.
I love that. Normally you see like a tomato sauce and pasta. I like how you've kind of got the sour cream thing going on. So
And the paprika gives it a little bit of kick.
Yeah, it's creamy but not overpowering.
Exactly.
Like, you still feel good with it.
So and also the noodle that I use is bucatini. Bucatini is a little thicker than spaghetti.
Yes.
It's got a little more bite to it. It's a little more
denser, a little more dense.
I love a
Hands
good bucatini.
down, my favorite pasta. Can I tell you something about bucatini?
Yeah.
You heard it here first, people. You know the straw conundrum in the world where
Yes.
plastic straws are not
Yes.
good for the environment, they're not good for the sea, they're not good for all of us and waste. But no one can figure out the right straw. Like the paper ones get mushy.
Oh, I hate that.
Yes.
I hate the paper.
Bucatini, people.
Bucatini
Because there's
as a
hole
straw?
in the center. They don't get mushy in cold beverages.
You're kidding.
Yeah.
Raw bucatini. You buy, 100 pieces in a box for $2.
Wow.
You have straws and you have weeknight dinner at
Oh my God.
Because we love it. There's olives. All right. Here's the olives. Olives going in. Olives going in. This pasta right here has got some serious attitude.
Yes, and what we're going to do is going to pour it right on top.
Ooh.
There we go.
Slow pour.
that
slow
looks
pour.
so
slow
good.
pour.
Oh my God.
And it's moist.
good.
And it's turkey. And it's good turkey. And it's salty.
Yes.
Salty.
Yes.
Yes.
Yum, yum, yum.
All right. And basil is not so dominant that you can't enjoy it. We gotta go for this.
Yeah, I say just
about it.
dig right in there.
You want to just dig in?
I don't know.
Family
whatever you
style,
do.
girls. Come on.
Here we
We're trying to share all the
We're on a
calories
plan.
together. Come on.
Okay. But this is a Slurpee moment.
You do realize that. I can't be cute with this.
And I might have set us
Unfortunately,
up.
pasta is not kind of one of those cute dishes.
Not a first date, but we're not on our first date.
Nah, I can't. I'm not opening my mouth this wide on TV. Hold on. Let me slow this down.
Delicious.
This is so. That paprika is
Salty, the paprika.
Oh my goodness! I love how it just gives it a little
Easy,
kick.
easy.
The brininess of the olive.
So good.
That's a
It's like
little thick.
I made
This
us
is
all
not a
make
be
a
cute
mess.
dish.
So
Do
we are
not-
all loving
people, if you're looking at this, do not have this on your first date. You'll be gone. No. Let it go. Not the first date.
The hole in the
There he
bucatini.
is.
It's there.
It's good. I
This
love
is
that.
fabulous. What I really got to applaud you for is you're lighting this up by swapping out the regular beef for the turkey.
With the turkey.
It's fantastic.
And it has
salty,
flavor.
but it's got a little bit of a kick.